Hello everyone for watching and for support my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video about this garden DIY, to get to know how propagate by cutting the plant, any plants. So this one I'm up here, I will show you and how about this. This is the plant that is good, bring you to good luck and good health. Is this plant as well, and can display in front of the house or in the gardens for the decoration. We have many colors: white color, red colors, and pink color, yellow color. We have many, but I have two colors, just red and white. And today I will show you about and how to cut this plant, to how to cut, and will put and in the pot and mix with the soil as well. So just see, very nice. But this plant is give full flowers. The season is possible for it is summer season. It's give full flowers. Yeah, but rainy season just give the leaf as well. Just see, okay. So now just cut and small and just separate some small. So this is a red color. This one is a red color. Yeah, you see, it is nice. Yes, it's a good. This plant is a very popular plant at any house. The many house for has a lot this plant in front of. So just keep, and you see this plant just put, but easy 100 patience it grow. Yeah, it's not die. Yeah, easy. Just we have many way. We have many way technique to this plant to propagate from cutting. Yeah, but just cut and put the soil. You can mix with the color, and just only one plant we can put many color and mix together. Yeah, but this one I just show you about the cut. Yeah, if you want more, please don't forget to subscribe. I will the new video I will upload the idea of this plant, or by crafting and things as well. Okay, thank you, see you the next video. Thank you, bye bye. Thank you for supporting and watching.